everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today, for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can sign up for the Mailchimp. Now for that, open a browser and open a new tab. Then on the search bar, type in mailchimp.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of the Mailchimp. Here, you need to click on the sign up free option at the right side of your screen. Click on it. Now to sign up for the Mailchimp, you need to provide your email address, username, and you need to provide a new password. So I'm gonna provide my email address for the account. Now you need to provide a username for the account. The username must contain only letters, numbers, or you can even use your email address for the login. I'm going to use my email address as my username. Here you can see. Now you go and type in your password. Now once you're done with all the information, you click on the checkbox that is just beside the sign up option. Click on it. Then click on sign up. Check your mail. Before signing up, you need to activate your account. For that, they have sent you a mail to the email address of yours. Now I'm gonna go check my mail. Click on sign in. Type in your account details. Click on next. Type in your password. Click on next. Here you can see on the very top the email from the Mailchimp. You click open that. There you just click on the activate account option. Click on activate account. With this you will be directed to your account of Mailchimp. Go through the verification process. For account setup in Mailchimp, you have to select a package for the account. There are 4 types, that is premium, standard, essential, and free. Here you can see all the amount that you need to pay for the subscription. I'm just gonna go with the free option for now, as this is just the tutorial video. I'm gonna click on next. Let's set up your account. Here you need to provide your name. Type in the last name. Business name, you need to provide your business account name. I'm just gonna type in random logging it. Now you provide your URL for the account. I'm gonna open my login it page, and here I'm gonna paste my URL ID. Then you provide the phone number. Once you're done with all the details, you need to click on the checkbox. Now then, once all the details is done, you click on continue. Now here you need to provide your address. Here you need to provide your address. If there's any other, you can type in the below text field. Then you type in your city address, choose the state, province, or the region of yours. Then provide the zip or postal code of your area. Then choose your country. Once all the detail is done, you click on continue. Tell us about your contact. If you have a contact of others for the Mailchimp, you can click on yes, or you can just skip this and do this later. I'm just going to click on no and continue. Help us determine the best experience for you. Do you sell product or service online? Now, what kind of a business it is? Either it's selling product or any kind of providing services. If it's both, you can click on both option. If it's neither, you can click on the neither option. I'm just gonna skip this one. Click on skip. Here are a few checkboxes that you need to go through before completing. Here you can choose the option of mail that you want from the Mailchimp. Skip all this and click on continue. You can choose any option that you want and just click on checkbox. With this, you will receive emails from Mailchimp. Now, I'm just gonna skip this and click on continue. And with that, the account for the Mailchimp is completed. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.